How to deactivate Instagram account on computer. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account on computer, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to deactivate your Instagram account on your computer, all you have to do is go to instagram.com and log into your account. And once you log into your account, on the left hand side you'll find the more option here, and once you go to more option, over here you'll find the settings button, so just go to settings. And once you go to settings, over here you'll find this option that says Meta Account Center, so just make sure to go to the Account Center button. And once you go to Account Center, over here you should be able to see all these sorts of options here, where you should also be able to find the option called Personal Details. Now once you go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, select Deactivation or Deletion. From here select your Instagram account, and then just leave it to deactivate account because that will get selected by default, and then just hit the continue option here if you'd like to go on and then delete your Instagram account. This way you should be able to go ahead and then deactivate Instagram account from computer. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.